operation of the system. Installation of the system is also pretty simple. It ships pretty much like you see it here. There will be some wiring terminations that are required, and this will give you an idea of how involved that would be. It's really, once again, very simple. You'll be pulling in 2 wires for your vibrator, 2 wires for your discharge solenoid, some AC power, of course, and the load cell cable. And if we can get a close enough view of this, your load cell cable terminations, you can just pretty much follow the color code that's on here. On terminal number 1 on this board here, right there, the white wire is on terminal number 1, the green wire is on terminal number 2, the brown and black wires are on terminal number 4, terminal number 7 gets the red and blue wire, and terminal number 8 gets the shield. That's your load cell color code. So all you'll need to do is hook up to that color code on this terminal. Your load cell will be hooked up. The system is pre-calibrated, ready to go. It's calibrated for 5,000 grams by 2 grams. Underneath, you'll have a couple of wires. Once again, just look at the drawing. It's pretty simple. You've only got terminals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and common to hook up on the bottom. Almost can't make a mistake, and that's about it. Close the door, plug it in, place it in service. To enter your presets for your target weight, let's say 2,000 grams. Let's change it. It's currently set for 2,000 grams. Let's change it to 1,000 gram dispensers just to change things. The sequence is very simple. The keypad is a dual function keypad. For example, this would be the number 1, the 2, the 3, or it's also preset, dribble, pre-act, depending on whether you press the select key or not. So if I wanted to change my preset from 2,000 to 1,000, I would go select, preset, enter. And I want to make sure, incidentally, that this is turned off when I do that. Okay, either this needs to be turned off or the manual auto switch needs to be turned off. Otherwise, the keypad is not active. Okay, so currently my 0 preset is set at 20 grams. This is the near 0 threshold. In other words, when the scale discharges down to 20 grams, that, for the sake of this particular system, is the point where we want to stop discharging and start closing the gate. As fast as this product falls out of the scale, 20 grams is a good place. So I've got this set, preset 0 is 20 grams. Enter. Preset 1 is my target weight. I currently have it set at 2,000. I'm going to set it to 1,000 simply by typing in 1,000 and press enter. And that's as hard as it gets. Okay? There are some other things that we have set into this system, like for example, the dribble set point. So I go select, dribble, enter. Okay? Currently I have the system set so that dribble for preset 1 is 360 grams. That's 360 grams before 1,000 in this case, that I will switch from fast feed to slow feed. One of the things that you always want to remember in a 2-speed feed system is when you're doing fast feed, your bulk is coming over the wall so fast that by the time you switch from fast to slow, you've already got this much material falling into the scale that hasn't been weighed yet. So even though I've got the dribble set for 360 grams before preset, actually I'll probably only be dribbling the last maybe 50 or 60 grams. Okay, I'm going to leave that there because it seems to work. And generally speaking, that's the case. Once you get your flow rate set between dribble and pre-act, you really leave them alone. You only want to change from 1,000 to 2,000 if that's what you're going to do. So I'm just going to press enter for that. Currently my pre-act is set for 4 grams. This is the amount of material that I want to cut off before preset on slow feed. This is because I've predetermined that there's approximately 4 grams of material in slow feed still in suspension that hasn't fallen yet. So I want to cut off slightly before, so sort of like the dribble. And then that's that. Enter. That's as hard as it gets. To change numbers, just go select. To change your preset, select, preset, enter. Leave your preset 0 alone. 20 grams looks pretty good. Press enter. Select either 1,000, 2,000, or 1,327 grams, whatever it happens to be that's your target weight. Press enter. You're pretty much out of there. And that's about the whole operation. It's the terminating your wires, setting up for production, determining whether you want to run an auto or manual. Press start if you're in the auto mode by toggling one way or the other. Make sure your power switch is on. You're ready to go.